In this video, I'm going to show you how to stick to your to-do list coming up. Rising to be. Rising to be productive. Rising to be organized. Rising to be inspired. Who are you rising to be? New videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Hello everyone, I'm Christina B Rising and welcome to the Rising to Be Show, the only place on the internet where I help you rise to be who you want to be, helping you rise to be productive, organized, and inspired. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday on my channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can become a riser. Stop being fake and click like. It's free, I promise. And click the bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Sometimes YouTube likes to hide my videos if you don't also click the bell, so make sure you do that as well. So let's get into this video. Are you tired of 2020 and want to start creating a better life in 2021? Then check out my goal setting workbook to help you create the life you want in 2021. Write the vision and make it plain. Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 2. Available now in my Etsy shop, Rising to Be. Save 20% off your order using code GOALS21. Keep rising to be who you want to be. Anyway, today's video is going to be about how to stick to your to-do list. So let's get started. Now, without further ado, the first tip I have for you is tip 1, commit to your reason. I'm sure you've noticed that highly successful people often commit to their goals, and because they are committed to their goals, they do what's necessary to reach them. They may not want to file their taxes or redo their entire website, but they know that they have to do it in order to get to where they want to be in life. They are committed to what they've said yes to. They don't simply add unnecessary tasks that have nothing to do with what they need to do. They try their best to stay focused. Now, I'm not saying that successful people only do what's best for them and never help others out. They do. But what they don't do is put their to-do list to the side and pick up someone else's. They stay focused on what they need to do and stick to it. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I just want to share the word of the day with you, which is scary, frightening, causing fear. And our monthly theme for the month of October is the month of not being spooked by failure. If you want to stay motivated and inspired all month long, you can download my motivational wallpapers for your computer and phone for free once you join my Patreon down below. Now, back to the video. Tip 2, stop diminishing what you can do. You'll be surprised if you actually approach your to-do list without thinking, I'll never get this done, or I'm not qualified to do this. It's okay if you don't know how to do something. But guess what? If you're watching this video or listening to this podcast or reading this blog, I can guarantee you there is someone who has made a how-to video on what you need to get done. So Google it. Most people overestimate what they can do in a day and underestimate what they can do in a month. We overestimate what we can do in a year and underestimate what we can accomplish in a decade. I love this quote by Matthew Kelly. And I know that 2020 has been terrible, but we still have 9 other years in this decade. So let's make the most out of them. And you can check out my goal setting workbook down below and help you to make the most out of every single year. Use my code GOALS21 to save 20% off your order today because this code expires soon. Write down your priorities. First, why? Because your priorities are typically things on your to-do list that require your attention sooner than later. And of course, as you go, you can add those small tasks that pop up in your brain to your to-do list because you never want to stop a high priority task to tend to a minor task. Stay focused. You actually get more done by focusing on one task at a time. Trust me, multitasking is an illusion. Think of it this way, whenever you have too many tabs open on your computer often works slower. The same goes for you. So close some tabs and stay on task. Stay up to date with everything Rising to Be by signing up to the weekly newsletter. It's filled with blogs, videos, exclusive freebies, and so much more to help you rise to be who you want to be. Create results, not plans. Don't stop rising. If you're watching on IGTV, you can sign up through my link in bio. Keep rising. Follow me on Instagram at Rising to Be for motivational content and Twitter at I am Rising to Be for inspirational tweets. Follow me on Pinterest at Rising to Be for several boards of inspiration and motivation. And join the Rising to Be Facebook group at Rising to Be. Keep rising. Tip 3, set working in office hours. If you are working from home during this unprecedented time in history, then it is highly important to your overall success that you set hours in your day. Start with your phone, put it on Do Not Disturb mode or silent, and even set up an auto reply message for those who call you to receive. Mine says, hey there, I'm currently in work mode right now. I'll respond when I can. If this is urgent though, please respond with the word urgent. And I'll respond, thanks. Christina B Rising, keep rising to be who you want to be. I got this amazing idea from Janine Amapola on YouTube. Check out her channel, I'll link it down below. Don't have 10 to 12 priorities scheduled in your day. Instead, chop that down to at least 2 to 3 of a major task. These tasks will take a major chunk out of your day and focus, so you don't want to add too many of these to your to-do list, because then you'll start to feel like you haven't done anything for the day, when in reality, that task will take your entire day to complete if needed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know down below in the comments what tip you'll use to stick to your to-do list. I just want to share the question of the day with you, which is, what are you scared of that is holding you back from living the life that you've always wanted to live? Let me know your answers down below. And don't forget to download my free monthly motivational wallpapers for your computer and phone. The monthly theme for the month of October is the month of not being spooked by failure. And you can get that for free once you join my Patreon down below. Now, back to the video. Tip 4, set working in office hours. Schedule distractions. This may sound a bit counterproductive, but trust me, it helps. You can't always expect that your focus will be 100% every single day, or that you can plan out every hour of your day, because things will pop up, and trust me, they will, which is why it's important to give yourself a bit of a buffer zone so that you can easily handle the pop-ups and still get back to your to-do list. Or maybe your distraction will be mindless online shopping or scrolling on Instagram. Look, I'm guilty of both, which is why I always allow myself 30 minutes of whatever I feel like doing in my day, because these are things that will likely pull me away from getting things done. But by simply fulfilling these wants in my day, I'm satisfied and I can simply return to what I need to get done. And I'll see you in my next video. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday on my channel. If you have a video idea on what you would like to see next, comment it down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that more people like you can watch more videos just like this. Thank you so much for choosing to watch my video. I truly appreciate it. Remember, as we rise to be, we are becoming who we want to be. I am Christina B Rising, and I will always be rising. So keep rising to be who you want to be. Bye. Do you want even more Rising to Be in your life? Then join the Rising to Be Patreon. It helps you support the channel and other forms of content. There's 3 tiers to choose from, starting as low as $4. So here's a breakdown of tier 1. You get access to the monthly wallpapers for your computer and phone to keep you motivated and inspired all month long. You get to choose 1 monthly video topic, and of course you get a Patreon shout out in my next video. Tier 2 has access to monthly wallpapers. You get to choose 1 monthly video topic, early access to videos, and of course a Patreon shout out in my next video. Tier 3 has access to the monthly wallpapers. They get to choose 2 monthly video topics and 1 podcast topic, early access to videos and podcasts, a Patreon shout out in my next video, and of course exclusive access to my printable collection from my Etsy store, Rising to Be. And it's only available through Patreon and Etsy, so this is something you really want to jump on. There are 3 tiers to choose from. I plan on adding even more as we go along, so I hope you'll consider joining the Patreon risers. Keep rising to be who you want to be.